are going to be doing a really cool cookie challenge. We are going to be making a box cake cookies using the same box cake flavor by making 3 different kinds of cookies. And we got this idea from this lady named Stacy. Stacy's Country Cooking. So let's get started. Okay, so the only box cake mix the flavor only have left over from our pantry from summer is we only have lemon box cake.
That's going to make an interesting Christmas cookie.
That's going to make it really interesting Christmas cookie. But, so we pre-did dough, and so you add 1 stick of butter and 2 eggs, or 2 flags. And it might look not familiar to you about real eggs because we're using flax. Oh, you're going to want to split up 1/3 of the cookie dough. Okay, so the first cookie that we're going to do is banana bread cookie. So some bananas in, and just like a little sprinkle of pecans. Then it depends if people like ginger or cinnamon or chocolate chips, because in the banana bread. But we're just gonna do both to see how they taste. Okay, guys. So we're gonna be making cherry snowballs. So we're just gonna add a little dew of
Almond extract.
And
some chopped up almonds.
We pre-did it. And
Then mix it up.
And then you're gonna want to put some cherries inside the dough.
You make like a.
You
gotta soften them.
Yeah, you gotta soften them by putting them in hot water, and then once you bake them, you're gonna put the cherries in the middle. But once you bake them, after you bake them, you're gonna want to dip them and roll them around in powdered sugar. So the very last cookie is, well, lemon makes us think of like refreshing stuff, and so in like a Christmas tree. So we're gonna do you're gonna want to toast up some pine nuts, and then also, if you really don't like pine nuts, you could add some poppy seeds. So just add the pine nuts and mix it all in. Okay, guys. So instead of rolling our cookies inside on the powdered sugar, we're just gonna sprinkle it on because it kind of got a little flat.
Yeah, it didn't, because it's a different recipe. It didn't stay like a ball like our snowballs usually do.
Yeah.
It's like a snowball after you throw it.
Yeah.
And then the banana nut we're not going to do anything to because it's like really sweet already with the chocolate chips, and I don't think it needs anything. Grandpa's favorite was the pine nut.
Wait.
Grandma's favorite was the banana.
Okay, guys, now that the cookies are baked and powdered and everything, we're gonna eat them. Thank y'all for watching. Bye. Mmm.